Jai Srimannarayana. 7th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mamaivamso Jivaloke Jivabhutaha Sanatanaha Manaha षष्ठानि इन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति। ॐ Realize that you are eternal and you are originally from Sri Krishna Paramatma. But while Krishna Paramatma enjoying eternal bliss, we ended up being in this cycle of birth and death. Now, all along your life, your goal must be to attain that eternal bliss. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now, you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall remember that, I shall realize that I am eternal and I am originally from you, and my goal must be, I shall take it as my goal to attain again back to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 295th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya's wives praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying like this, Tava avataraha khala nigrahaya. O Krishna, You are the one who comes down in different forms to punish all the bad and to protect all of your devotees. Oh Krishna, now you are punishing this Kaliya, and Kaliya is very much deserved to get this punishment. You always carry equal vision among all living beings. Oh Krishna, only to keep them in right path, you will punish either your enemies or your own people also. So whatever that you do, it is only for good. Now we don't feel that you are punishing this Kaliya, but anugrahoyam bhavataha krutohino dandosatam te khalu kalmashapaha. Whatever that you are doing to this Kaliya, this is definitely your compassion, your blessing. And with this, you are washing off all the sins of Kaliya. So whatever you do, that always brings good. Krodhopite anugraha eva sammataha. Now, the tandavam that you are doing on Kaliya, it is not that your anger is doing it, but your compassion is doing it. Oh Krishna, ho Jagadadhara, Nikun Pagagalade. You would not have any retaliation on anyone. You would not carry that kind of intention. Oh Krishna, this Kaliya probably ఎట్టి తపంబు చేసెనో ఎట్టి సుకర్మలాచరించెనో. In his previous lives, probably he has done great tapasya, great activities. Otherwise, you would not go even to greatest devotees. But here you came down to Kaliya. On Kaliya's hoods, you are enjoying by doing this Tandava Nrutyam. This is something such a great fortune to Kaliya. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 7th sloka. Mamaivamsho jivaloke jivabhutas sanatanaha manasheshthani indriyani prakritisthani karshati. Mamaivamsho jivaloke jivabhutas sanatanaha manasheshthani indriyani prakritisthani karshati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.